الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه ومن والاه. Inshallah, today in our Ṣarf we'll be continuing from where we stopped last week. Last week we discussed about the second division under verbs, under the several divisions of verb, and that is the classification of the verb into sahih and weak. Sahih and mu'tal, that is the sound verb, and the weak verb. But today, inshallah, we will be continuing from the أقسام الفعل المعتل, that is the types of the weak verb. Last week, we've already done the types of the sound verbs. So today, we'll be doing the subdivisions of the weak verb. ينقسم المعتل إلى مثال وأجوف وناقص ولفيف. So mu'tal is what? Is divided into four types. So we have mithal, we have ajwaf, we have naqis, then we have lafif. So what is the meaning of mithal? الفعل المثال هو ما اعتلت فاؤه. So mithal, it is the verb in which the first root letter is a weak letter. So that is al-mithal. For example, wa'ada, yasar. Verb wa'ada, the first letter there, and that is the fa'ul kalma, fa'ul fi'l rather. So the fa'ul fi'l is a weak letter. That is mithal. Whenever fa'ul fi'l is a weak letter, it is called al-mithal. The second one is al-ajwaf, ma'tallat aynuhu. So it is the when aynul fi'l is a word, is a weak letter, like qala ba'a. This is ajwaf. So the second one after the third one after ajwaf is naqis. معتلت لامه. It is the verb in which, or it is the verb whose lamul fi'l is a weak letter. So whenever we see a verb and the lamul fi'l is a weak letter, so the verb is called naqis. Like the verb gaza, rama, sa'a. All these are what? All these are naqis. Why? Because the lamul fi'l are weak letters. Lafif, that is the fourth and the last one. Lafif. But this lafif is also divided into two. So we have lafif mafruq and lafif makrun. Lafif mafruq, what does this mean? وهو ما اعتلت فاؤه ولامه. So it is the when both the fa'ul fi'l and lamul fi'l are weak letters, like the verb wafa and the verb waqa. ومكرون وهو ما اعتلت عينه ولامه. It is when both عين الفعل and لام الفعل are weak letters, like the verb طوى and روى. So these are the types of المعتل. Lastly, وهذه التقاسيم التي جرت في الفعل تجري أيضا في الاسم نحو شمس ووجه وما شابه ذلك. The classifications which apply to verbs can also be applied to nouns, such as the word shams, wajh, qawl, sayf, dal, dhab, and so on. With this, we've completed the types of al-fi'l al-mu'tal. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.